What do you mean? Okay. Well, okay. You can't. Oh, you can't read it with your glasses without your glasses. All right. Are you ready? Okay. Well, it says wet hair. Did you do that? Did you wet your hair? Oh, all right. I'm just asking. Okay. Wet hair. Apply small amount to hair. Then lather. Are you done with the lathering? Okay. It says rinse. Rinse thoroughly. Yes, it says lather, then rinse thoroughly. Okay, good, good. Oh my God. Repeat. Well, it doesn't say what to repeat. I would assume repeat the rinsing until it's completely, not soapy anymore. Well, it could be the whole process, but then, you know what? Yeah, I hear what you're saying. Yeah, okay. You know what? Just, does it feel clean? Does your hair feel clean? Well, I don't think you need to keep repeating. I think you can stop after you've rinsed it thoroughly. Yeah, because that's really ambiguous. That's pretty good.